can see Tyler in the background, but it's okay. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel called Artsyfartsymagic, where I do art and you're in the background.
Yeah, what?
Yeah.
Probably saw me pick my nose.
I do art and sometimes a story every week. This week, there's not gonna be a story. I'm gonna do a Procreate tutorial, yes. I'm gonna teach. I'm gonna be a teacher. Let's learn stuff, guys. Just gonna let you guys know I'm not an expert by any means. This is a basic tutorial, like super, like if you just got Procreate and you have no idea what you're doing, this is perfect. This is perfect for you and me. I'm just gonna teach you what I know. If you like what you see, subscribe. Or not, I don't know. Normally I talk about what's new in my shop, but to be honest, I'm feeling lazy. I've been feeling lazy for a while. Did I say my name? I'm Kat Kinway, and thank you for watching. Let's get into the tutorial. Hello everybody. When I started doing digital art, this is what I started out with, and I haven't done anything else. I was looking at all the videos tutorial wise on how to do this, and I found like the shortest amount of time that I found on this was 20 minutes long. Excuse me. So first of all, to start a new like page, you go to the top here, add, and I always do screen size. If I know I'm gonna have to get something bigger, I'll use the paper size, and this should just pop up just like a blank piece of paper. I use a iPad Pro. So we have the brush up top here, you have your color wheel right here, eraser. I normally use the calligraphy, the script one, just because it's just easier. Let's write a word. Magic bitch. You can change the color background. Let's just do pink, like baby bubblegum pink. Bam. If I did like a mistake like this, there's an undo mark right here, so you can just go back. And then if you want to write a circle like around this, you just hold it still. Bam. There we go. And you want a line over it? All right, there you go. Even though we're not doing that, so bye-bye. Bye, Felicia. Or let's just do one like right here. Let's do a little... Ooh, I'm liking where this is going, sir. I forgot to show that. So you can like make a shape like this, and instead of coloring it in, which honestly I like coloring in more just because you get more surface level off of it. Like it's not swatchy, but you can drag the color over and bring it like that over. But see how it creates this weird line afterwards? That's why I just like filling it in anyways. It is what it is. Sorry. I like want this to look pretty. I like doing the lines where it straightens it out, because that way I don't have to worry about messing up. Okay, so layers. Let's do layers. So to create a layer, you just press the add button up here. Bam, new layer. You want it behind the other one, drag and drop it. Drag and drop it, motherfucker. Let's do white. I like to put white in the background too. So we're gonna make this a thick boy up here, because that controls the thickness. This controls the opacity of the color. So we're gonna do this. Magic. That goes behind it. Let's do another layer behind it just so I can show you other brushes. So another one of my favorites I like to use is, it always takes me forever to find this one. Okay, it's in the textures, and it's like rosette. Let's do this one. So I just like to, it's just a cool little brush that has texture that you can put in the background. The Apple pencil detects pressure points as well. So let's say this is a pretty light background right here, right? So I can make it darker if I wanted to. Like if I wanted to shade this part, which I kind of don't, so I'm going to delete it, but it's possible. I just like how it is right there. Boop, 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 boop. Yeah, I'm digging it. You digging it, dog? Let's have a little heart right here. So you can do this too. Any like mark you make and you hold it down, it'll hold. You can insert pictures if you want to, like if you want a reference picture, or I know some people trace these. Let's just see, let's add a picture. Okay, you go to the tool setting right here. Insert a photo. Add insert a photo. I just did pictures with my friend for her brand photo shoot, so let's just add, I'm gonna obviously delete this, but see, like you can add a photo if you want for reference. Put it up at the top. When I've seen a video before where the tutorial I watched, to change the opacity of the photo, you double tap with 2 fingers onto the photo on the layer, and then you slide down. See what I mean? If you really wanted to, you can add a layer over it and be like, oh yeah, look at look at them thick boys. But you get what I'm saying. So let's delete that. That's how to insert a photo. Other thing is, if you're in a layer and you want to move something around, you can, like for instance, like let's say we want to move this layer. There's an arrow in the background here that you can pick up and you can move it around like so. You can put it wherever you want. Another thing is, if you just wanted just like a section, let's say there's a section that you wanted to just pick up and move around, you press this little squiggly line here, it's like an S, and then you freehand and you kind of just go around like this, and then you press the arrow here so you can move this around wherever you want. There's also an app that if you don't like the brushes, the brush set that are in here, there's an app called, I will put a picture up, that you can use, and you can download it onto the Procreate that you can use as well. And if they have palettes like colors you can use, add up here, new from photos, and then you click the photo you want. So yeah, how fun is that? How fun.
I remember that.
Bubblegum Magic Land, whoop whoop. Oh, what else? Oh, how to save this once you're done. When you're done creating your magic piece, you go to share up here. You can save it as a JPEG, like here, and it'll save the background. Or you can save it as a PNG without the background if you don't want the background. Which is you uncheck it and you're like, not JPEG, PNG. It's gonna look like a white background in your photos, like this. But when you add it onto something like an email, or like if you're attaching it onto a shirt, like digital wise, it'll look like there's no background, just like this. Oh, here it is. Okay. You go to actions where it says add, copy. Whatever. Okay, so copy and then paste. See? So there's all of that. If you want to add more, you can get more. But we don't want that. We don't want that. So we're just going to delete it. And there you have it. Basic Procreate. Hope you like it. We are back. Thank you for joining us. And I hope you liked my tutorial. I thought about doing more of those. More like with painting. Yeah, there might be a story next week. There might be a new tutorial. Yeah, that's all I got for you. Adios. Like I always say, peace, love, and magic.